12 snacks that'll help you lose weight. Are you trying to lose weight but struggling to find healthy snack options? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing 12 tasty and satisfying snacks that will help you stick to your weight loss goals. From protein-packed power balls to crunchy veggie sticks, these snacks will keep you feeling full and energized without sabotaging your diet. So if you're ready to snack your way to success, let's get started. Snack number 1. Apple slices with almond butter. Apples are a great source of fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Pairing them with almond butter adds some protein and healthy fats to the mix, making this snack even more satisfying. Try cutting up an apple and spreading a tablespoon of almond butter on top for a tasty and healthy snack. Snack number 2. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Adding some berries and nuts to the mix adds some extra fiber and healthy fats, making this snack even more nutritious. Try mixing together a cup of Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and a tablespoon of chopped nuts for a delicious snack. Snack number 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are eggs that have been cooked in their shells in boiling water until they are fully cooked. They are then cooled and peeled before being eaten. Hard-boiled eggs are a popular snack and can be eaten on their own or used in a variety of dishes, such as egg salad, deviled eggs, or as a topping for salads. Hard-boiled eggs are a good source of protein, with one large egg providing about 6 grams of protein. They are also a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B6, B12, and zinc. Hard-boiled eggs are low in calories, with one large egg containing about 70 calories. They are also a convenient and portable snack, making them a great option for on-the-go eating. Snack number 4. Hummus with vegetables. Hummus is a popular dip or spread made from ground chickpeas, tahini, a paste made from sesame seeds, lemon juice, and various seasonings. It is a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine and is gaining popularity worldwide as a healthy snack or condiment. Hummus is high in protein and fiber, making it a satisfying and filling snack. It is also a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, and zinc. Hummus is low in calories and fat, making it a great option for those trying to lose weight. To enjoy hummus as a snack, you can simply spread it on a slice of whole grain bread or a cracker, or you can use it as a dip for vegetables such as carrot sticks, bell pepper slices, or cherry tomatoes. Hummus can also be used as a spread for sandwiches or wraps, or as a topping for grilled chicken or fish. It is a versatile and tasty snack that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Snack number 5. Edamame. Edamame are young soybeans that are harvested before they fully mature. They are often sold in their pods and can be found in the frozen section of many supermarkets. Edamame are a popular snack in Asia and are gaining popularity worldwide for their crunchy texture and nutty flavor. Edamame are a good source of protein, with 1 cup of cooked edamame providing about 17 grams of protein. They are also a good source of fiber, iron, and several other vitamins and minerals. Edamame are low in calories, with 1 cup of cooked edamame providing about 188 calories. They are also low in fat, with less than 5 grams of fat per cup. To enjoy edamame as a snack, you can simply steam or boil the frozen edamame according to the package instructions, then sprinkle with a pinch of salt if desired. You can also add some spices or seasoning to give them extra flavor. Edamame can be eaten on their own as a snack, or you can use them in salads, stir-fries, or as a topping for soups or grain bowls. They are a tasty and convenient snack that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Snack number 6. Air-popped popcorn. Air-popped popcorn is a type of popcorn that is made using hot air to pop the kernels, rather than oil. It is a healthier alternative to oil-popped popcorn and is a low-calorie, low-fat snack option. 1 cup of air-popped popcorn contains about 31 calories and 0.4 grams of fat. It is also a good source of fiber, with about 1.2 grams per cup. Popcorn is a whole grain, meaning it is made from the entire grain kernel, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes it a more nutritious option compared to processed snack foods. To make air-popped popcorn, you can use a stovetop popcorn popper or an electric hot air popper. You can also make it in a paper bag in the microwave. Simply place a small handful of popcorn kernels in the popper or bag, follow the manufacturer's instructions, and wait for the kernels to pop. Once the popcorn is done, you can season it with your favorite herbs, spices, or seasonings for added flavor. Air-popped popcorn is a tasty and healthy snack that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Snack number 7. Herbalife Protein Shakes. Herbalife is a company that sells a variety of health and wellness products, including protein shakes. Herbalife protein shakes are typically made from a blend of protein powders, such as soy, whey, or casein, and are designed to be mixed with milk or water to make a convenient and portable meal or snack. Herbalife protein shakes are marketed as a weight loss aid, as protein is known to help with satiety and weight management. However, it is important to note that simply consuming protein shakes will not necessarily lead to weight loss. Weight loss requires a calorie deficit, which means that you need to burn more calories than you consume. In order to lose weight, it is important to focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutritious foods and regular physical activity. It is important to consume a variety of nutrients in order to maintain good health. It is always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or starting a new supplement regimen. Snack number 8. Cottage cheese with fruit. Cottage cheese is a type of cheese made from the curds of cow's milk. It is known for its creamy texture and mild flavor, and is often used as a protein-rich snack or ingredient in recipes. Cottage cheese is a good source of protein, with 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese providing about 28 grams of protein. It is also a good source of calcium, with 1 cup providing about 30% of the recommended daily value. Cottage cheese is low in calories and fat, making it a good option for those trying to lose weight. To enjoy cottage cheese as a snack, you can simply top a small serving of cottage cheese with your favorite fruit, such as berries, sliced banana, or diced pineapple. You can also add some chopped nuts or seeds for added crunch and nutrition. Cottage cheese is a versatile and tasty snack that can help you reach your weight loss goal. Snack number 9. Vegetable sticks with guacamole. Vegetable sticks, such as carrot sticks, bell pepper slices, or cucumber rounds, are a healthy and satisfying snack option. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Vegetables are also a good source of a variety of vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious choice for snacking. Guacamole is a popular dip made from mashed avocados, tomatoes, onions, and various seasonings. It is a staple in Mexican cuisine and is gaining popularity worldwide for its creamy texture and flavor. Guacamole is high in healthy fats and contains a good amount of fiber and potassium. It is also low in calories and contains no added sugars. To enjoy vegetable sticks with guacamole as a snack, you can simply dip the vegetables into the guacamole for a satisfying and tasty treat. You can also use the vegetable sticks to scoop up the guacamole or spread the guacamole on top of the vegetables as a topping. Vegetable sticks with guacamole is a healthy and flavorful snack that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Snack number 10. Protein balls made with oats, nuts, and dried fruit. Protein balls are a type of snack that are made by combining oats, nuts, and dried fruit into small, bite-sized balls. They are a convenient and portable snack that can be enjoyed on the go. Protein balls are often marketed as a healthy snack option, as they are typically made with whole, nutritious ingredients. Oats are a good source of fiber and provide a slow release of energy, making them a satisfying and filling snack option. Nuts are a good source of healthy fats, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Dried fruit provides natural sweetness and is a good source of fiber and antioxidants. To make protein balls, you can combine oats, nuts, and dried fruit in a food processor and process until the mixture comes together in a dough-like consistency. You can then roll the mixture into small balls and store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Protein balls can be enjoyed as a snack on their own, or you can use them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Protein balls made with oats, nuts, and dried fruit are a tasty and convenient snack that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Snack number 11. Protein bars Herbalife Nutrition. Herbalife protein bars are designed to be a convenient, high-protein snack option. They are typically made from a blend of protein powders, such as soy, whey, or casein, and may also contain other ingredients, such as nuts, oats, and dried fruit. Protein bars can be a convenient and portable snack option, as they are easy to take with you on the go. However, it is important to read the ingredient list and nutrition facts panel on protein bars to ensure that they align with your health and weight loss goals. It is important to consume a variety of nutrients in order to maintain good health. Snack number 12. Smoothie with Herbalife Nutritional Shake Mix F1 and Vegetables. Herbalife is a company that sells a variety of health and wellness products, including a nutritional shake mix called Formula 1 F1. F1 is a meal replacement shake that is designed to be mixed with milk or water to make a convenient and portable meal or snack. It is marketed as a source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, and is often used as a weight loss aid. Smoothies are a popular way to incorporate F1 shake mix into your diet. You can add a scoop of F1 to a smoothie along with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients to create a nutritious and satisfying meal or snack. Adding vegetables to a smoothie is a great way to boost the nutrient content and add some extra fiber. Some vegetables that work well in smoothies include spinach, kale, cucumber, and carrots. It is always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or starting a new supplement regimen. There you have it, 12 tasty and satisfying snacks that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Remember, it's all about finding balance and moderation in your snacking habits. By incorporating these healthy options into your routine, you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss goals in no time. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Have a nice day.